Today on Lamvinsky's Garage, this will just be a little update. We gotta move some stuff around, but let's get to it. We're using my 12 valve to hook up to the boat so we can get it taken up to the museum. When we get it loaded and on its way up there, I'll explain to you what we're doing. The boat's gonna go on the back burner for a little while, so that's all right. All right, we got that over there. She's running. We're gonna bring her up.
That way a little bit. Oh, I got plenty of room over here. I think there. Lots of room here too. You're good.
And you're probably gonna need your counterbalance here.
Jack under the front.
Oh yeah, there's that.
I get her on this trailer, which is just about there.
Oh, the old girl sounds pretty good, huh? Not a bad old machine. She's a little lower than our liking though. God, she's running like a champ, though.
A little longer before that starts cooking.
Yeah. Sounds good.
I mean, it's good.
I know. Just about. All right. Well, we'll get this tied down and we'll head to the museum. You sure can't deny these old 5.9s sound pretty good. Gotta love it. Unload nice and easy. Gotta fire it back up for the power steering. She'll be coming in. That looks good. Bring her back. Well, thanks to our professional car relocation crew, we got the boat in where she's supposed to be. Next up's gonna be getting this Sweptline out and that Sweptline out. All the running gear from this, besides the engine and transmission, are going into that 65 back there, because this is all half-done stuff and it's good. It's new brakes, new wheel bearings, yada yada yada. And then that's going to get shortened to a step side. That'll be a pretty cool truck. But that's going to be a little bit down the road. I think that'll probably be it for today. But thank you for watching, and have a nice day.